Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're doing sort 125 and we're learning the difference between the hard and soft G and C. So the first thing we need to do is make our words. Go ahead and fold your paper in half. Make your fold nice and tight. We'll fold your paper in half again. And again, make your fold nice and tight. I like to turn mine this way because it makes it easier to fold for me. So then I fold it this way, in half again. Make your fold at the end nice and tight, push down nice and hard, and fold it up one more time. Make your fold nice and tight, and fold it up one more time. Make your fold nice and tight. You can even use your fist and hammer it down a little bit. Then when you have it done, you open it up. And when you open it up, you can see those beautiful, you open it up, those beautiful lines you can trace to make your card. So just trace down those lines, those folds that you can see on your paper. Pause the video here to trace it. All right, I already traced my lines, so here they are. And as you can see, or not see, depending on how I hold the paper, I'm going to use a darker marker so you can see it better. The light is kind of shining in here weird. All right, so let's get going. We have 4 headers, so I need all 4 at the top. My first one is the hard G. And the hard G says G. And the hard C. So I'm going to write hard C. And it just says, it makes a k sound almost. So I'm going to put in parentheses a little k. So I remember that it makes like a k sound. Then I have the soft G. And the soft G makes a j, j, almost like a J sound. And then I have the soft C. And the soft C makes almost an S sound. All right, then I'm going to go down my words. My first word is gather. Gather. Remember, these are big because we're using these to sort our words. And gather says G, so it's a hard G. My next word is counter. Counter. And counter has a K sound, so it's a hard C. My next word is gentle. Gentle. And gentle has a J sound, so it's a soft G. And then I have cement. Cement. That sounds like an S, doesn't it? But it's cement. So since it makes that S sound, it's a soft C. Then I have gossip. Gossip. It makes a G. So it's a hard G. Gossip. There's 2 S's too. Then I have college. College. It makes a K sound, so it's a hard C. College. I hope you go to college. Then I have genius. You hear that? Genius. That makes a J sound. Genius. And then I have cider. I love apple cider. Cider makes that S sound even though it's a C. Then I have garage. Garage. It's a hard G. Garage. My next word is custom. 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 You know, different people have different customs. custom. And it makes a k sound, so it's a hard C. Then I have giraffe. Giraffe. You hear that? Giraffe. And giraffe has two F's and a silent E. This is a tricky word. Giraffe. And then I have century. And it makes that century. My next word is golden. Golden. And I can hear that G, golden. Then I have correct. You are correct. It makes a K sound. So it's a hard C. Correct. And do you see those two R's? Hint, hint. Remember those. Correct. Then I have budget. Budget. You hear the G in the middle? Budget. It makes a soft jet sound. Budget. It's really wrote like bud and get, but it's budget. Then I have notice. You hear that C? What sound does it make? Notice. You're right. It's an S sound, but it's spelled with a C-E. So this is a soft C. Then I have the word guilty. Guilty. Oops. Guilty. So guilty. All right. That definitely makes a good sound. Then I have manage. Manage. Do you hear it makes a G? Manage. So it's a soft G. And I have sentence. Sentence. Let me listen to it one more time. Sentence. Oh, it makes an S. So it's a soft C. And my last word is distance. 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 Listen to it one more time. Distance. Makes that S sound, so that's also a soft C. All right, these are our words. Go make sure you wrote them down. And when you wrote them down, cut them out and sort them. Take a picture or show it to me in class. See you next time, my little friends.